So Tanuki is so curious about our nachos, we're going to let her lick a jalapeno pepper.
No.
You can't eat it. What?
No. Let her down.
She's going straight for the water. Oh, water!
What's Tanuki?
Let's see if she'll do it again.
I don't think she will. I think she'll do it lesson. Tanuki. Boy, you're a mean mother for suggesting that, Sandra.
You.
Tanuki. Tanuki. Tanuki.
Must have more water.
No, let her. No, you're gonna pour water all over the place.
She's pulling it down.
Tanuki, Tanuki, Tanuki.
Lick the pepper. I'll get it for you.
Okay, stop that and let's give her some real water.
Wait, I want to see if she licks it again. Lesson learned.